Hello there, I'm James. Today, I want to take you on a journey to the salon for a fresh new look. It's not just about getting a haircut. It's about transforming how I feel. The salon is my go-to place for a change and a bit of fun. Every time I walk into the salon, I'm struck by its vibrant energy. There's a buzz of activity, with stylists skillfully snipping and clients chatting. The walls are adorned with stylish hair designs, and there's always upbeat music playing. Sitting down in the chair, I discuss with my stylist. It's Mike, the new hairstyle I want to try. We look at a few pictures, and he gives his expert advice. Deciding on a trendy cut, I'm excited to see how it turns out. Mike works his magic with the scissors and comb. I watch in the mirror as my hair takes on a new shape. It's fascinating to see how a good haircut can change your entire appearance. I always appreciate the skill and precision of a professional stylist. After the cut, it's time for a hair wash. The feeling of warm water and the gentle massage of my scalp is incredibly relaxing. The fragrance of the shampoo adds to the soothing experience, making me feel at ease. Back in the chair, Mike styles my hair with some gel. He shows me how to style it at home too. I admire the final look in the mirror. It's exactly what I wanted. A great haircut really boosts my mood. During my visit, I enjoy talking with Mike and the other stylists. We share jokes and stories, making the experience even more enjoyable. The salon is not just a place for grooming, it's a hub of friendly social interaction. With my new haircut, I feel refreshed and ready to take on the world. I thank Mike for the great job and head out of the salon, feeling confident and happy. A visit to the salon is always a highlight in my routine.